What is up, guys? It's Fix It Fit Me here, and today we're doing a full restoration on this iPhone 11. So yeah, guys, I got this iPhone 11 here for $60 from my friend. It is a fully functional iPhone 11, 64 gigabyte, unlocked. It just has a really cracked, messed up back and a super scratched up front screen. So today we're going to do a full restoration on it. I have a OEM nice back here and a OEM nice screen. So let's go ahead and let's get started. We have to tear this thing apart and swap everything over to the new housing. It sucks that the screen is so scratched up because it's not cracked, but it's just deeply scratched. And it's absolutely horrible, but you have to sadly sacrifice the thing for it, because when you replace the screens on these, the code comes up even when you reprogram them. So definitely a bummer, but oh well. There we go, got it all opened up. Let's go ahead and let's get all the brackets off. Alright, there we go, screen's off. Now let's go ahead and get this motherboard out. There we go, motherboard's out. Now time to put everything in the new housing. Alright, let's get that motherboard in. Alright, there we go. Everything's in. Let's go ahead and let's move on to the screen. All right, let's put this earpiece on the speaker, or on the screen. All right, there we go. New screen's all installed properly. I've already programmed it, so it is already ready to go. Let's go ahead and let's get everything plugged in and test it out. There we go, we have life. There we go. All right. Everything seems to be working. Yep, there's a display message. Even though this is a OEM Apple display off of another phone, you still get that good old display message. Yep, camera's good. Yep, there's the battery message too. Man, that's ridiculous. This is an OEM 95% health battery. That's ridiculous. Absolutely terrible. All right, seems to be working good. Let's go ahead and let's get it back together. All right, let's get this finished up. I did decide to put the original battery that came with this phone back in, as it wasn't worth it to put the other one in, because of it was only like 10% off difference, and I would rather have a good battery that shows the percentage than a battery that doesn't and causes issues. So I'm gonna pull this peeling off, and then we can go ahead and finish this thing up. There we go. On the screen goes. All right, give a quick wipe down. All right, power it up. There we go. Let's go ahead and close it up. And we're done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment down below. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a long time, guys. I've been crazy busy. But don't worry, I'm going to start getting out these uploads, start posting some new stuff. And yeah, guys, thank you very much. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.